What's up, my viewers and subscribers? What's up? Wagwan? Wagwan, my beautiful peeps. Today I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican strong back punch. Yeah, man. So let's get right into it now. This is my oats that I have soaked, and I have some raw peanuts, some natural nuts, and I am soaking it in some jagan. Yes, I did say jagan. I have an Ensure right here, and I'm going to use a Malta. And for my sweetener, I am using Lasco vanilla. Yeah, man, I'm going to just throw some of the vanilla in there. Alrighty, so make we kick things off now. But here what now, guys, this is a small mountain top I have over here. I'm going to just pick this off, juice it, and yeah, man, it I go use to turn up the strong back punch. You can go ahead and use a soursop if you have soursop. You can either use soursop or mountain sap. It depends on your likings and your taste. Alright, so I'm going to kick things off now. Jamaica strong back punch. Yeah, man, that's right there. So I'm just peeling off my mountain sap, stripping off my mountain sap. And as I mentioned, guys, it's a small mountain sap, but it is okay. It will do the work. It will do the job. It will get the job done. So we're going to just juice this up here now. Alright, so I'm just going to dash some water on this mountain sap here and just proceed to juice. This is our mountain sap, guys. So we have finished juicing our mountain sap. So I'm just straining it off through my strainer. And I'm going to use a spoon here to help with the pulp. So that it can just run freely through the strainer. So this is the amount of juice that we have got from our mountain sap. Alright, so we're going to just throw some of this in the blender and blend up our nuts and oats and all of that, yeah, man. And my peanut that I have put to soak. This peanut I soaked from yesterday in a jagan. Alright, so we'll go ahead and add some of my oats as well. And as you know, I also put the oats to soak. Alrighty. We're gonna go ahead and add some of our mountain sap juice. Yeah, so we're going over to the blender. Alright, guys, so I eat this after our peanut, oats and mountain sap finish blend. I'm gonna go some now booms and dash in. So yeah, man, I'm going to dash a Ensure in this. Don't know you have to get your nutrients. And I'm also going to put in a malt. So I'm gonna go ahead now and dash in a Malta. You can go ahead and use a Guinness if you wish to. I'm using a Malta. Alright, so I'm just gonna cover back this now and continue to blend. Yeah man, to combine everything. Alright, we're gonna just continue to blend this up. Alrighty, I just pause that, lift off the cover, and we're gonna dash in some Lasco in that. So I'm using Lasco for my sweetener. You can go ahead and use your favorite sweetener. You can use a milk or maple syrup, anyone you choose. But for right now, I am using some Lasco, so we're gonna mix that up. Yeah, we'll cover back this right now. Give it a nice little blend. Alright guys, so this is it. Everything done blend up, mucho, strong back. So I pour them out now. Only a strong back punch that, you know. But you know what? I have some of my mountain sap, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add it to my blended juice. Yeah. I'm just gonna mix it really good, give that a good mix. You know you want everything to mix up nice and mucho. And remember to taste, always taste your punch guys, and adjust. If you want more sweetening, more sweetener, you dash a little more sweetener in it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead now and put my nutmeg egg, but let me taste this thing here first and see what I'm going with it. This tastes good, man. This just want the nutmeg and a tip of vanilla. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead now and dash in some of that tonight. Strong back punch, yeah man. So if you are in Jamaica and you don't drink any strong back punch, yeah, miss something. You're supposed to drink all 4 glasses of this before you go, so that the taste lingers on in your mouth. Yeah man, this is Jamaican strong back punch. Alright, so I just grating up a little piece of the nutmeg here to dash in our strong back juice to top it off. Give it a nice flavor. You know you can't leave out your nutmeg, right? Make sure you have your nutmeg. Yeah man, I eat that. First I'm going to go ahead and tip a little vanilla. Half teaspoon. Dash in my nutmeg all over. And you know I'm going to give this a good mix. So that is our spice for our strong back punch. So this just want cool now guys. This don't really want no ice at all on it unless you really want to drink some like no. Like right away. So I eat that, you know. See that? Yeah man. So we just have a bottle this now and leave it in the fridge to cool. And I guess some of these guys that are here going to want some for drink, so you know I'm going to dash a few ice cube and some of it, right? Alright, yeah man, I eat that. Alright now guys, so I'm just pouring out my strong back punch. Let's see. I love that consistency. Alright, eat that. So we are just using a little bit of ice just to give it a little chill. And we're gonna go right ahead and we're gonna just pour. Alrighty. Alright, see there? No take it. Maybe so much. So children drinking the strong back, guys. How it tastes?
Good. Good. Nice.
How it tastes? Or the juice taste?
Nice.
Nice.
Would you drink it again?
Yes.
How you say it tastes now, Zaire?
Nice.
Okay.
Love it.
Guys, our children are drink them strong back punch here now. And say it nice. Alright guys, I don't know if I'm gonna see that big something you don't know if I want that. Look at Mark.
Daddy.
You see how it is big? And
That's...
this is our strong back punch. Alright, so we're gonna dive into this right about now. This is a meal. This is a drink and a meal, right?
Yes, indeed. Meal within a meal.
Because when you drink this, you don't want nothing more.
No, baby. More than maybe a little top up. You know what that means?
No, I don't know what that means.
Special treat, baby.
I don't know what that means.
So you're strong me up for.
I say I don't know what that means.
Alright, you'll find out later.
Okay.